Guys, well, got a new toy. I've already busted the little zip tie off of this one. Had to get one that actually did some good, and this one, because of that, I should be able to use on darn near anything. This is the outer packaging for it. 20 volt, and from what I've seen, all the reviews and everything, this one's a hoss. I've monkeyed with one of them in the store. Oh, that's black. It's supposed to be silver. Hope I got the right one. Well, it says 1200, so that should be it. Nothing any more special on that side. Crack this puppy open. Just got back from Harbor Freight with it. And holy cow. That's the same one, it's just a different color. Interesting. It's weird, it smells like popcorn or something. Oh, battery's fully charged already. Okay. That was nice of them. Yeah, I know, I'm doing it one-handed again. Wow. That sucker wants to take off. Yeah, I think that one's gonna work just fine for me. Alright, well, that's all there is to it. I mean, it's a drill. Well, it's an impact torque wrench. Got a place for 2 batteries in the case here, right there and right above it. About shot it off the top of my truck. But yeah, this thing's a hoss. Nice. And of course you got the stuff nobody ever reads up here. I'm gonna read it anyway just because I know it might cost me my man card, but so be it. Got a nice little plastic carrying case for it. Now I got 2 of these cases that say earthquake. This one and the one from my the 12 volt electric ratchet. I used that on my daughter's car to finish it up, and it took me like 10 seconds to button her car up and get it to where it was ready to go again. Of course, they haven't done anything with it, so I guess I didn't need to be in such a hurry to do that, but it's back together anyway, and I couldn't have used something like this on that car. Not down in where for the water pump and all that where I was trying to get. I would have had to have had like a flex rod or something, and a nice long one at that. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Got a few more things coming up here shortly, and I'll try to get them all on video for you and post them up here. But that's the unboxing of this one. Like I said, it's I was gonna get the, well, I guess that one's taped together still or something. I was gonna get the Bauer for I think it's 119, and that one was just 450 foot-pounds of torque. Break this down so I can put it in the recycling. But yeah, the Bauer was 450 foot-pounds of torque, and that wouldn't have worked for everything. I've also got that the Bauer, the small one, the smaller impact Bauer, and it works well for most things. So I couldn't see getting one that was still going to be kind of useless, basically, or not as usable as something like this. This I could use to take off wheels and tires, or things under the hood or under the vehicle rather quickly. I watched several teardowns of this thing and got to see what all the internals look like, and it looked real promising. Looked like they're made really sturdy, so went ahead and bought one, especially since Harbor Freight had them on special for in the July catalog for $249, I think it was. One thing I learned the hard way yesterday, though, you cannot use, because yesterday was July 4th for me, and I had another one day only 25% off. Because this was already on sale, they wouldn't let me do this for the sale price and the 25% off. So I just got this for the sale price. Figured that was good enough. If I needed any more, then, well, I don't know. Still haven't gotten all the parts for my quick jack yet. Once those come in, I'll go over to my neighbor's and finish that up. I'm gonna do the actually I need to go over there this afternoon and get the garbage from it all and take it back, burn it somewhere, or throw it in the recycling, and then we'll be able to, he won't have all that trash laying around his shop. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got for now. Thank you guys for watching, and you have a great afternoon. Let's see what kind of gems I get from the Chinese store today. Okay, not what I was hoping for. This stuff right here is pretty cool. My dad had some of this pretty much most of my young life. Basically it's like electrical tape that sticks to itself and eventually becomes almost like a piece of pipe itself for wrapping pipes with to stop leaks and stuff. This was actually, I think if I remember right, this is a letter opener. Does the glass breaker thing, that's why it's got the point on it like that. And you can take this loose. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. It's not sharp, it's a letter opener. It's not supposed to be sharp. But you can use with it all together, you can use that point to break someone's glass with. Now, I could sharpen that up. That's not the intention of this, but I could sharpen that up and use it as a knife too. That's not my intention. But I will leave it in here as a method to break glass. And then this is a cloth balaclava. Would you hush? I'll teach you to not go in when I tell you to. He's been out here sweltering because he's a hardhead and didn't want to go in. So he can just cut his whining because don't want to hear it. But basically, that's it. You can wrap this around your, with it bowed out, that covers your nose and mouth, and that covers your head, obviously. Not real thick, so it's not something for winter. It is wicking material, so it'll pull the sweat off of you. But I'm not wearing it out here, not right now. I'm not doing anything outside right now because while it is fairly beautiful out right now at the moment, it's really, really hot. You know it's bad when even Michael just packed his stuff up and went back inside and said to heck with it. Of course, he may have just been out of stuff to do for the evening. He got him a new Ford truck, which would have been nice if he could have found one with the same deal with a Chevy truck, a Chevy diesel, and compared the two. Of course, he said he's had stuff like that before, so. But you got a pretty good deal on that. And now he's got his own trailer, so as long as he don't need to pull something up on it with the winch, he's in good shape. Anyway, I think I'm gonna put this with my other stuff. I am. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alrighty, well, gotta go let Mr. Man there in. He's that's Bomber, that's not Bear. He's got a serious case of the I'm too hot, so let me in, so we're gonna let him inside so he can get cool again.